told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never say. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a maintenance vlog, and today's video is proudly sponsored by Legit Beauty Palor Salon. It is located in Namwongo town, the second flat when you're coming from Gla. It is on the first floor, and you're going to be seeing a big banner. And I have good news. We're not only collaborating with them, but they also offer good services, from haircut, from hair, from wig to wigs. They also do steaming, they do facial, they do everything. And for those who love dreads, they are experts in dreads and everything of that kind. They also do nails. They have a good nail parlor, and you're going to love it. I love the ambience. It is very quiet, it is very clean, guys. It is very clean. The hair is fresh and everyone in there is very clean. So go and support them. If you want to reach out to them, kindly go on my Instagram, text me, and I'll give you a number, or I'm also going to leave their number in the comment section. But if you want more information, you go in my Instagram and text me. I'll be replying to you. Nothing about, like, if you're living near Namwongo, Kabalagala, Chibuli, if you're a girl and you want a job, or you're in the need of a job, you want to work in a salon, of course we have an opportunity for you. We are looking for 1 or 2 girls who are ready to learn, even if you don't know anything, but you have little knowledge about hair, about nose, pedicure, about body massage, facial, and everything. They are going to be offering lessons. So at a free cost, you're not going to pay anything. We just need someone to train, and you're going to be fully employed in this salon. So how amazing is that? So that is a plug for you. If you're there, you're clean, you know some English, please inbox me and we see what to do. How amazing is that? So before I go into the video, guys, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for supporting, guys. We've come this far to be having videos like this, to be having sponsors, and guys, a lot is coming. We are just welcoming blessings after blessing after blessings. But anyway, I'm not going to rant a lot in this video, but I'm going to take you through. Today we are going to be doing nails. We're going to be doing actually I did scrub, but I didn't record that because I wasn't feeling well and I was in a rush. But I did scrub, and I also I've been having a breakout. I think you can see this, my nose and the forehead. It's not so okay, but yeah, regardless, we move. It's getting better. So they transformed my hair from this was ready to this, and I'm in love with this. You know, this is my hair. This is my statement hair. You know, this is my statement hair. The reasons why I actually transferred from natural hair to this is because I really love being natural. I really love wearing my hair, and I don't want to wait to take a lot of time doing my hair. And I love being good. Natural hair is a stress, guys, and I also realized it was a trend, so we are good. So how amazing that, look at that. It is, everything is slick, everything is nice and perfect. So I also started gym. So this is the first week I've been the gym, like professional. I have a professional, I have a trainer, and I started on Monday. Today is Friday, and 1 week is done. So I trained 3 days a week, sometimes 4 days a week. I'm going to be making it like that. So if I train 4 days a week, that is good. If I do 3 days a week, I'm going to be adding swimming on top of that to make 4 days. So we've been in the gym, the board has been on fire, but we're loving it. Okay, so that's the news that I've been having for you. So follow that vlog.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
So in the start, at the beginning, I was so skeptical about doing this because the last time I went to retouch my hair, I lost almost all of it and I've spent like 4 months growing it back. But I was also tired of looking crusty, so I decided to give this a chance because I actually sat there for I went there and I saw how this girl was doing her work and then I accepted. I tried to give it a try, but I was really so scared. This was it after she applied the chemicals and she was so gentle, she was quick. The so the next day I went back to do my nails. Actually I did my nails before my hair. I did my nails. I had this gel and it had gel builder on, and yeah, we did my nails and I'm going to be showing them to you at the end of the video. Hey loves, good morning. So today is day 2 of gym. I started gym yesterday, like serious gym yesterday. I have a trainer and I'm giving it a month and see whether I'll get the results that I want. So today is day 2 and I'm going. It's currently 8:30. Yeah, I have to reach there by 9. It's not very far and this is my gym kit. So see you there. Just putting on this. Yeah. So see you when in the gym or when I come back actually. So I've reached, this is where I do my gym from. It's quite a nice place. It's a big one. You can do your, let me color here. Yeah, they also have a swimming pool. So that is the swimming pool.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
Hi loves, so I came back. Actually guys, yesterday I did my nails. I think you can see them very well. Yeah, I did my nails yesterday and I went for white and black, and I think it looks nice. They look nice. Yeah, so I came back from the gym. Yeah, so I do 3 times a day, sorry, 3 times a week, Monday, Tuesday and Thursday. So tomorrow I'm not going to do it, but my body is on fire, guys. It is so painful, but anyway, I expected that. So I came back. I had to edit a video. I uploaded it already, so I hope you go and watch that. It's about rebranding. I'm rebranding, and yeah, it's about sewing, rebranding and all that it is included there. So you must go and watch it. Subscribe if you've not yet. And yeah, so I came back. I've been editing. Yeah, so I have like 4 other videos to edit, but I'm going to do my best. So I'm hungry. I feel like eating goat's meat, but it's so far from where I am. So I think I'm just going to prepare something simple like spaghetti. I don't know, I think spaghetti, and yeah, I eat some food because I'm really hungry, very, very hungry.
Well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist.
So if you've watched until this far, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I think you love my hair. I guess so. I hope you love it. Sorry, my nails and them from Legit Salon in Namwongo, and trust me, you're going to get the best services. The customer care there, it is lit, very lit. Okay, so if you watch until this far, thank you for watching. I have a travel video that is coming up soon, and it is sponsored. Woo, guys, hard work is finally paying off. The hard work is finally paying off. So I have a trip that is coming up, a video that is coming up. Of course, I finished that trip, but I have a lot of things that I'm doing and a lot of things that I'm working upon, and sometimes it affects my uploads. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, go ahead and drop it in the comment section, and if you're new here, kindly join the family. We do talk about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything. We also do videos about leveling up, and we're soon getting back to 20 series. So if you enjoy the above mentioned, go ahead and join the family. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss anything every time I post a video. Okay, you can follow me on Instagram. I have nice work there, and of course you'll be the first person to know what is going on, what I'm working on, what I'm up to, and everything of that kind. Otherwise, love you guys. Bye.